Hi, this is Dave Dunbar with General Pipe Cleaners. I'm here today to tell you about General's new VersaPlunge, the best plunger on the market. Traditional plungers that use a hard rubber cup or modern plungers that use bellows all have the same problem. The rubber cone at the end is round, but the opening in a toilet bowl is usually not round. Toilet openings are oval-shaped, oblong, or a variety of other shapes that make it hard to seal off with a traditional plunger. As a result, you get splashback. The bathroom becomes a mess, and worst of all, you get wet. The key feature of General's VersaPlunge is the patented VersaFlange at the end of it. The material is extremely pliable and flexible. The cone easily forms to nearly any opening, any shape, creating a tight seal in virtually any toilet. This prevents you from getting splashback, and as you can experience with other plungers. As you can see with these odd-shaped samples, the VersaFlange fills the gaps and seals the opening just as it does in any shaped toilet opening. You can more easily clear a clogged toilet while keeping yourself and the bathroom clean and dry. In addition, you can roll up the end of the VersaFlange to make it a flat bottom so you can use it to clear sinks and other drain openings. Other features include the super compressible accordion style bellows that make it easier to apply extra force to clear the stoppage. The bellows hold more volume than a traditional type of plunger, and as you compress, you can get more thrust with each stroke to clear the stoppage more quickly, more effectively. Use the easy grip handle to press down on the plunger to give you more control. It's a lot easier to use than the broom handle that's found on traditional plungers. If you've ever encountered a full toilet bowl, you know it can be a mess to clear with traditional plungers. The VersaPlunge has a relief valve and a handle that helps prevent overflow. Just turn the handle, place the VersaPlunge into the bowl, and press down on the plunger. Then turn the handle the other way to seal the valve. Draw water into the bellows, now you can start plunging the bowl with less risk of splashing water on the floor. The VersaPlunge does a better job of sealing the opening than any other plunger in the market. It helps you clear the clog faster and keeps you and the job site clean. For more information, visit www.drainbrain.com, or if you have any questions, you can always call the Drain Brains at General at 800-245-6200. Thanks for watching.